have this, and then you can do however you would like to. Oh, I love this. Passionate, perfect for springtime. Let it set. Still wet right now, so we're gonna go into magentics, like a purple colors. Hey Sarah, how are you, sweetie?
Hello.
Let's do. Hi Marendi, hi Pretty Nuna. Do both. Yes, that's why I said I can't choose which one, so I'm gonna do both. Might as well. Too hard to chew. Great. Now we're gonna do using, instead of have to struggling with brushes or with solutions, I am going to using crystal clear. This is a freaking awesome solution that is completely, it's the right ratio, so then you don't even need any other brush if you just have one colors with the crystal clear. Hi Vicky, hi sweetie, how are you? Happy Friday, ladies. Sarah, Vicky, I am so excited and happy that me, Vicky, and Sarah, we got an opportunity to share with you in the upcoming class. See, it start filling up. It's so excited. Irene, thank you so much, sweetie. Look, this one. I like really want to save it for everyone to seeing it, but I said, oh my God, crap. If I sitting here and I'm like just chit chat and talk and just like forget about doing my nails, and you're gonna kill me. Thanks so much, Shannon. All right, so crystal clear. I'm like, okay, so promise this next time I should, because you know what? If I take my nails down, I don't get it right on. I'm a little bit OCD, so I have a problem, so I have to have it on. I'm so sorry, but next time we'll save it for you. So crystal clear. This is freaking cool, right ratio solution, and I have a piece of paper, please. So back to the words that I'm just sharing it, the information from the class in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Such a great opportunity we got to share with you and host the class on behalf of the Chisel Nail Arts Company and Glitz. So also, besides learning all the techniques for salons, we are also have a training for master brand ambassador for Glitz accessories and such. We are branching out and looking for new and more ambitious nail technicians who is like love what you're doing. Of course, we're all, and really passionate, and you really want to help and share and teach with to the other nail tech for beginner or whoever like long time veterans. I want to learn some new techniques, you know. So then remember to check out the class. The information is in the bio. The link to the website and have full descriptions of the class and informations. Also, if you have like even a lot of questions that you still don't really like see what you looking for, always call us at 206-771-5086 to ask any question you needed it. Okay, so I am, look at that, I'm creating veins right there, so you can do different veins like different directions. They all looks great as well. So I'm going to just use a little bit. Less is more. You don't want to do too much to wash off your fusion inks. Basically, it's still like, you know, alcohol base. So we have is really interesting in class in Ann Arbor. You learn so much from a salon style to crystal placement, all different nail art, and Master Brand Ambassador training. I start seeing my veins really nice. I like that. So cute. But everybody have a different way to do fusioning. And then plus two, when the client's bringing a picture to you, make sure you assist them and consult them every single fusions ink or marble look doesn't look identical alike. So they won't be freak out or stressed when they don't see the same look. Because they are not. Try to make my veins really sharp. You can just see that I just using it just basically from my crystal clear brush. Looks really good. Oh no, the XOXO here. Let me show you. You didn't see it because I think here I move it up here. I have it down here with me, but every time before I dip back into my bottles, crystal clear, I usually tap my brush and cleanse my brush in a piece of paper like this. So therefore, it's real limits of transfer or contaminating back into my bottles. As you can see, I wipe it off. If you're happy with this, you can let go and put the veins foils on. This one, do you want to see the veins foil or do you want to see the veins gel painting? We did quite a lot of gel painting lately, so if you want to see more, let me know. I love the foil too. The foil is really wow look. I like that. There you go. Happy with this. Just one more. If you feel too much of crystal clears and tap in a piece of paper first. Great. I'm happy with this. Yep, to keep it from getting all messed up. Yes, because you don't want to have like pink, purple, green, obsidians, white. It's all gonna be mixed in this, so then it's gonna be affect that look. So you're seeing it. Hey Jessie, how are you? Oh my God, hi Jessica. How are you? Yeah, absolutely. The XO, you are very welcome. Okay, so let's do some transfer foil. I have my little palettes right here. I'm gonna do some transfer foil veins here. Just put 1 drop of. I have a 1 drop of premium iHo transfer foil. And my twin tip brush. So if you have a gel painting, last few time I did gel painting, you can do a gel painting using a golden touch. I did this. I love this. It looks so beautiful. Also, transfer foil veins looks super cute as well. Just a little. Pick it up. And just a little bit. If you want your vein to be thick, you can do it thick. But if you want your vein to be smaller, you can do just like a smaller. However you would like to draw your veins, I think it's gonna come out either way. It's gonna look cute anyway. Great. Pop in the lamp for about 30 seconds, I'm sorry. Okay, I just draw a few veins. maybe here. One more. That's it. No, you didn't miss the butterfly design, sweetie. You just missed my nail design. Just kidding. I just got my nails done. Jessica, no, you didn't. We didn't do butterflies, but we did this too, sweetie. So if you miss it, you can always view it back with the story time. When we end with the live video, you can watch it on the story time. Really simple nails that I just did recreate look on my nails in a different color base. Chrome, weaver gels, and metal metallics art. Chamfer foil with elastic strips and crystal placement. That's the two nails we did. This one is super cute. I'm using this one and just place completely. And press it firmly so then it can transfer all to the veins and stuff. Great, you ready? Super cute, right? You can do with gels or you can do with the chamfer foil. And all I need to do is put the no wipe top coat back on, so then it stays nice and shiny. If you want matte look, your clients request for the matte, then do a matte look. No wipe top coat. Can I get the other? Right here, no. Right there. All over the nails, and then we cure it for 60 seconds, and this nail are completely done.